This is the video covering properties of logs, and there's three of them that we're going to look at: the product property, the quotient property, and the power property. And these are related to exponents, since a log is basically an exponent. So just like in dealing with exponents, if we're multiplying powers, we add our exponents. Here, if I'm taking a log base b of m times n, that's going to equal log of m plus the log of n. And we have base b on both of those. And these properties allow us to manipulate the logs. And that's partly the power of them, is that they let us move things around. So the second one we have is the quotient property. And there we're going to have a division log of m over n is equal to, just like with the exponents, if we were dividing powers, we would subtract. Here we're dividing logs, so we're going to subtract logs. Log base m of m minus log base b of n. And that's the product property and the quotient property. So let's look at a couple of examples of those before we go on to anything. So if I have log base b of 5 times 9, then we can talk about this as expanding it. Log base b of 5 plus log base b of 9. And if we had a division, I could have log base b, say 50 over 8. Then it's going to be log b of 50 minus log b of 8. So a lot of the problems you're going to be doing is either expanding it or getting it from what we have on the right side here and changing it back to the left. I'm going to erase this so that we can then talk about the other one, the power. This property, the power property, is the one that we tend to use the most. It's kind of the more powerful one, because it's going to allow us to take this this variable here that's in the power position and get it out of there. So what this property tells us is that log base b of m to the n is equal to n times log base b of m. So what was our exponent up here is now available to us to solve. And we'll be using this when we're solving equations. Let's look at an example. If I have log base b of 5 to the 4th, I'm going to rewrite it as 4 times log b of 5. So that exponent, the exponent that was up here, is now over here. And you'll find lots of problems getting much more complicated, but they all come down to using these three different properties.